What's going on, guys? My name is Jay Tech. I am a DJ, photographer, videographer, and a sneaker enthusiast. I am brand new to YouTube, and this is my second video. I hope everyone's summer is going well with everything finally opening up again. If you like the vibe, please subscribe. Don't forget to hit that like button and turn on that notification bell for future content just like this. Today, we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Union LA Air Jordan 4 Retro SP Taupe Haze. This collaboration is in celebration of the Union LA's 30th anniversary, in which they released two colorways and titled this release Tented Trail, that draws inspiration to the outdoor gear from the late 80s and 90s. The Taupe Haze colorway, in which I will be reviewing, was specifically a Union LA exclusive at a retail price of $225 US. Starting with the box, the Air Jordan 4s come with an exclusive Union LA box showing Michael Jordan's signature shooting form. This is such a dope touch, and it goes very well with the light yellow and blue box. Inside the box comes with tissue paper with an image of Michael Jordan himself. For the front of the Air Jordans, the sneakers come pre-laced in a gray and teal colorway called Roma Green. They also come with a set of light blue and gray laces as well. For the toe box, the material on this is a nice mesh material, almost similar to what a seatbelt in a car would feel like. For the tongue, it is pre-stitched folded down, but you can definitely cut the stitching to unfold the tongue in, which many people do. On the sides of the Air Jordan 4, the wings come with a translucent plastic material on the upper. The lower wing is colored in that signature Roma Green. Union LA also added their tag logo on the bottom of the area of the netting. Found throughout the sneaker is this smooth beige suede. The air bubble consists of a darker blue than the blue found throughout the Air Jordan 4, which gives it a nice pop. For the back of the Air Jordan 4, the Union LA kept the infamous Nike Air branding, which we all love. The back tab is the signature Roma Green. The Nike Air branding is that nice light blue color. To me, the Nike Air back tab color blocking gives the Air Jordan 4 that 80s and 90s look. Then with that smooth beige suede all around the sneaker, gives it that hiking and rocky trails look that Union LA was going for. In conclusion, the Union LA Jordan 4 Taupe Haze collab is, in my opinion, the best colorway out of the four that was released from this year and last year. With the bright colors and subtle beige, the color blocking gives the sneaker that 80s and 90s pop that Union LA was looking to achieve. Just a question, what decade were you guys born in? And also, what color blocking do you associate your decade with? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the vibe, please subscribe. Don't forget to hit that like button and notification bell to be alerted for similar content similar to this. Peace and love, everyone.